Here's a 2018 Honda CR-V. It's rugged and sophisticated, meaning this CR-V is ready for the moonlit countryside or the bright lights of the city. The easy fold-down 60/40 split rear seat and multi-angle rearview camera are handy no matter which destination you choose, as are the Bluetooth, rear window wiper, and vehicle stability assist with traction control. With the Eco Assist system and Econ button, you can get there on less fuel, too. Fit for wherever you take it, make this CR-V yours today. It's a 2018 Honda CR-V. Bigger than the previous model year, this CR-V also brings gains in fuel economy and power, resulting in a capable SUV for whatever path you choose, be it paved or not. The fold-down 60/40 split rear seat and cargo area tie-down anchors make it easy to fill it up, and you won't have to fill up with gas as often thanks to the Eco Assist system and Econ button. Inside, you'll enjoy the peacefulness provided by active noise cancellation and the peace of mind of the multi-angle rearview camera. Set the trend when you take this CR-V home today.
Thayer Honda is happy to pass the savings and quality on to our customers. Call, click, or stop in today. We are conveniently located at 1019 North Main Street in Bowling Green, Ohio.